All right, we will show you how you assemble the leg side part and the leg stay together. So printer currently facing back side to front. So he will grab the right side piece, which has the closed side on the right side. And this is the back side. So he will bring it to the side of the printer. And I will hold another piece here. So we will start putting the bar, leg stay. So the leg stay has screw hole which suits for this screw. So once you put it in, and then you slide slowly to the bottom. So the screw leg goes to the narrow part of the screw hole, and do the same. So I put the screw on the wrong part on the other side. Sorry for that. Well, I do the same for the front part. Sorry, I put the screw on the wrong place. So please look at the installation guide for proper step. And to make sure where to put the screw. Since there are numerous different screw ports on the leg part. Okay, do the same thing. And then we will fasten those screws with the Allen keys. Okay. When you tighten the screws, please check there are one extra screw holes on each side of the leg stay for extra portion. So please do not forget to attach the leg screws on the middle part, the leg middle screw hole. So at this moment, the top screw on the leg stay, please keep it without tightening because there are other screws goes on the other side of the leg before tightening this screw. And we may tighten all the screws on the front side of the leg. Next, attaching those side plates of total 4 pieces of the side guard of the take-up shaft and roll holder shaft. So there are two different shapes times 2 pieces each. So make sure which one goes to which side, left and right or front or the back side. Depends on the shape of the guard. And use Allen keys to fix them all. So the front side goes to the most bottom part of the leg. So use 2 screws on the bottom of the leg. It's fastened. The screw hole of this guard has a long hole, long slot on the left and right, or front to bottom, front to back. So make sure you putting this all the way to front for the bottom side, for the front bottom side. And for the back side, you just leave like this way, how it's attached neutral. So please look at the installation manual for the details. All right, and there are additional the screw hole only for the bottom side of front guard. So please don't forget to fasten it. All right, the next step is to attach the take-up and feeding wheel onto the shaft for take-up and feeding side. So remove screws. and take out the bars from a shipping holder. All right, before attaching take-up wheels and feeding media holders, you need to take off the guide cap on the side of a shaft temporarily. Please do only one side. So 2 pieces of the media holders can be attached from one side. So just loosen the screw for half turn. To remove the metal cap temporarily. For the back side of the printer, the first piece, the roll holder on the main machine station part should be attached first. So loosen the thumb screw until the route inside gets cleared. And attach them in. And temporarily fix the screw on the middle. On the other side, attach the second part, which facing the roll holder against. Also, it has a bit tighter tension on the wheel. So attach that to the next of the roll holder. Just fasten the screw in the middle. And put back the metal cap to the side. Attach this to the back side of the printer. So after you make sure that the main side of the shaft is attached, again, loosen the cap a bit, make sure that they are flat on both sides. And while doing so, slightly remove the thumb screw for the roll holder, and to let it sit neutral, fasten it again, and tighten the cap. And fasten the screw from the side. And make sure that you're going to do the same thing for front side. So for the front side, the main take-up wheel, the motor unit is inside. The biggest one goes to the main part, main side of the machine, the printer. So let's put it in the top. And let it sit as neutral. And the last part, which is similar to the side part of the load holder, but the load holder side has a tensioner, but front side doesn't have a tensioner, so it comes through. And attach back metal cap temporarily, and bring this to front bottom part of the leg. So once you start attaching the shaft, loosen the thumb screws on the take-up holder and let it neutral. And attach the same way as the back side. So make sure the both sides of the cap, both sides of the metal cap is even. And tighten up the screw again. And make sure take up smoothly. And tighten the screws. All right, that's all for the leg assembly of the printer. So for the meantime, let's put the leg assembly on the side. So to roll it out, release the knot on the tire for 4 parts in order to move smoothly. All right, for the preparation of the printer main unit to put on the leg, we need to attach the lifting handle, 4 pieces of a handle onto the printer. So you need to make the machine part open on the front and back. Make it free. and detach the screw, which is fixing the main the printer unit of the pallet. So this RMP, the large RMP, is in accessory box, but at this moment I will use automatic one. All right, use a long screw to attach the lifting handle, lifting bar onto each side. So use 2 screws for each side. Put a flat part of a handle to the bottom, so the person can grab the printer from the bottom without any damage or injury to your hand. Attach this to the block. And then attach the screw. And this time, do not tighten the screw completely, but attach the screw until you have about 3 threads. It's going out to the other side of a screw holes. Do the same thing for both sides. All right, after attaching 4 metal handles, so it's ready to pick up the printer. So when you pick up the printer and attach onto the printer stand, make sure you have at least 4 people, preferably 1 additional person, in order to look and control the position of the leg or position of the printer, while 4 people is lifting up printer.